guys? Well, I'm just gonna do a quick update right now, as I totally forgot to do an intro and to do an outro to this video, which I thought I did, but this was our Racing Byrds weekend in December. It is March, almost April, so it's been a while before I could get to any of these videos, but I'm trying to make it a little bit easier and try and get more videos out and much sooner. So yeah, was having car problems, got the car retuned that day, and yeah, I mean, it started running a little bit better, so I realized that we needed to get a new fuel pump, and a much bigger one, so that way we could get the car running at its 100%. So yeah, but I mean, there's not really much detail I can go into this one. Yeah, it was a racing day, so I'm trying to make this short. I'm just gonna do the fastest times. And yeah, I mean, I'm not really gonna do an outro to this one just because I don't remember much from that time. This was a few months ago, so but hopefully you enjoy the car footage, and I'm trying to get more angles, and the light just turned off, but yeah, just let me know if any other angles look good, if you want to see from the behind the car and seeing like the trail of it, and I'm gonna try to do some more hood ones too, so either right up here or, you know, right down there. That would be really good footage too. So yeah, so I'm just gonna say this stuff now. You know, thank you guys for liking, subscribing, watching, and you know, just continue commenting, and hit me up on IG if you have questions and stuff, and there's more stuff to come, and that's all I really can't say right now, but more videos, more installs, more replacement stuff in good times. So yeah, thank you guys again, and let's get to some race footage.
broke ass home. All right.
We're racing, people. We got our boy Sean in here.
Hi.
And we've got some problems. Cool.
Problems that shall be fixed.
Problems that shall be fixed. We're here at Racing Byrds. It's the winter run, and we've got problems. The car does not want to be cool. Want me to key on now?
Oh yeah, 100%.
And our boy Sean over here is tuner extraordinaire. So hopefully he's able to get it all nice and fixed up, and we can get back out there because the car is running really well, especially with the new sway bars. But we'll see. And hopefully the car can run well all the time and not just I have to swap back and forth on tunes. So we'll see what this guy with his magic fingers over there doing these little things.